I always had a problem with my teeth, my smile, because my teeth, I have so many missing teeth, and plus I ground them down some. Anyways, I tried this pop-on veneers thing. I went through the process, had my impression kit sent to the house, and got it, did my three little impressions, and I sent it, and I just got it in the mail. My new my new smile, and uh, I work at a company where I'm one of the supervisors, and I have to deal with a lot of people in the company. I have to do a lot of talking because I do the public speaking thing, but self-conscious about my teeth, so I always talk with my mouth closed like this here, But you can see I got several teeth missing, discolored from years of abuse, and I just tried it. I mean, I seen the videos, and I wanted to see how it worked. So here goes trying it on. He said all I gotta do is pop it in. So let's see. Okay, here we go. Here's the top. Let's do this. Go snap into it. My teeth ain't look that good since high school. Okay, here's the bottom. Wow, look at that. Well, Papa on Veneers, you guys did a fantastic job. Wow. Whew. Now I ain't gonna be able to keep my mouth closed. Thank you, Papa Veneer. And those of you watching this video that are looking for an encouragement word and advice, do it. It's worth the money, man. It really is. Look. Wow. Thank you.